All right, this recipe is our waffled pizza pockets. And to make our waffled pizza pockets, you will need tortillas, pizza sauce, cheese, mozzarella cheese, and any pizza toppings you would like, such as pepperoni, mushrooms, whatever. I'm going to start off with my tortilla. I'm going to put a little bit of pizza sauce on. You're just going to spread it on about half because we're going to fold this in half. So you don't want to get too much, it'll get pretty soggy. So you're going to make it like you're going to make if you make pudgy pies on the campfire. This is kind of how we do ours. We take a piece of bread and do it this way. So I might have got a little too close to the edge, but we'll find out once I cook it. So it looks like enough pizza sauce. Next, I'm going to put on my mozzarella cheese. And you can put on as little or as much as you want. I'm going to spread mine out a little bit. And then you can add any pizza toppings you would like. And I'm going to fold it in half because we're going to make this as a quesadilla pocket. So I'm going to open up my griddle. I'm going to place my pizza pocket in there. It kind of hangs over, but I think it'll be okay. And I'm going to let it cook. And we'll see how it turns out here in just a minute or so. So what are some of your favorite pizza toppings? Any of you just plain cheese people? Are some of you pepperoni fans? What about mushrooms? I'm not a big mushroom fan myself, but my husband and my kids really like mushrooms. Smelling good. And if you don't have a waffle iron, you can always make this in the microwave, or you can make it in your toaster oven. I'm just going to check it. Ooh, we're getting some nice waffle marks on there. I'm going to give it another about 30 seconds or so. Might just hold that a little bit, give it some more gooey waffle marks. I can hear it sizzling. I know these are some good, easy go-to snacks for any time, especially after school. Or you could use this as a meal for supper. All right, I think it should be ready. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take it out. Close that and turn it off. And there we have it. Our pizza waffled pocket, or a pizza quesadilla. So I think it turned out pretty good. All the cheese is nice and melted. And it looks delicious. Enjoy!